Ever wondered, what makes your liver happy? Join us as we decode the secrets to a detoxified and healthy liver. What the essentials of liver health. Key foods. Foods that support liver detoxification include garlic. Activates liver enzymes and provides protective nutrients. Beetroots contains betalains for detox and inflammation reduction. Green tea. Loaded with catechins to improve liver function. Leafy greens, high in chlorophyll to neutralize toxins. Olive oil. Offers a lipid base to absorb harmful toxins. Grapefruit. Rich in antioxidants for liver protection. Walnuts. High in arginine and omega-3 for liver cleansing. Turmeric. Contains curcumin for anti-inflammatory liver support. Citrus fruit. Abundant in vitamin C for toxin conversion. Cruciferous vegetables. Aid in producing detoxifying enzymes. Apples. High in pectin to help cleanse the liver. Benefits. These foods help improve liver enzymes, protect against fat buildup, decrease inflammation and oxidative stress, and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Who the beneficiaries of a healthy liver? Focus on liver health. Individuals with liver disease, those who consume alcohol excessively, and people with obesity or metabolic syndrome should focus on liver health. Beneficiaries. Everyone can benefit from incorporating liver-friendly foods into their diet, especially those looking to improve their liver function and overall health. We're the source of liver-nourishing foods. Finding liver-friendly foods. These foods are commonly found in grocery stores, especially in the produce section, and include items like grapefruit, green tea, and coffee. Diet inclusion. They can be included in your diet as part of balanced meals, snacks, or as ingredients in recipes that emphasize fresh, whole foods. When the timing for liver detox. Focus on liver health. It's beneficial to focus on liver health consistently, as the liver is always active in detoxification. Consumption time. Consuming these foods regularly, as part of a balanced diet, is recommended for optimal benefits. Why the importance of liver detox? Healthy liver. A healthy liver is crucial as it filters toxins, metabolizes nutrients, and provides important proteins for the body. Aid in detoxification. Specific foods aid in liver detoxification by providing antioxidants and compounds that support the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins. How the method to detox your liver. Detox mechanism. These foods contain compounds that enhance the liver's enzymatic processes, helping to break down toxins into less harmful compounds for elimination. Preparation. To retain their health benefits, these foods should be prepared in ways that preserve their nutritional content, such as steaming, grilling, or consuming them raw. Maintaining liver health is a multifaceted approach that involves choosing the right foods, understanding their benefits, and incorporating them into your diet in a way that supports your liver's natural functions. Curious about how to integrate these superfoods into your daily routine? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the full scoop. This video is for informational purposes only. Consult your doctor before making any changes. Remember, a little change goes a long way. Start with what you eat, and watch how your health transforms. Until next time, keep your liver in check and your health in balance.